is ensuring the security of your business network. That's a multi-pronged solution. It's not simply putting a firewall or antivirus there and be done with it. You have to look at all different facets. You have to look at, most importantly, the awareness of your staff in terms of knowing that there are threats in email and potentially other avenues where they can be tricked into allowing access to hackers into your network. So first and foremost, make sure that you ensure a culture of security awareness of your network. There are other strategies as well, but this is first and foremost among those.